Hey there, it's Nathan. I've been trading for over 8 years and I know why you're here on my channel. You're looking for a proven and safe way to trade. Or maybe you're here to learn how to run sessions with a super advanced AI bot. I'm gonna show you how, even with minimal knowledge of technical analysis, you can pull off successful trades. But unfortunately, I can't cover all AI bot insights on YouTube. We'd be making videos for days. So for your convenience, I've set up a Telegram channel. You can test it all out right now. Soon, the bot will be completely free for everyone who gets in early. Hit the link in the description or in the pinned comment to get started and just follow its lead. You'll be sitting pretty. Alright, here's our plan for today, starting with 75. Before the session, I already picked our 4 main stars for the day. Let's add them to the screen. I've set everything to standard settings and added the fractal indicator to keep things even safer. This will help us better see if the chart is going up or down. Set the period to 3. That's it for the setup. Now we wait for the AI bot info. If you have got any questions about setting up the platform, what to click or anything else, I'm always ready to help on my Telegram channel. I'll show you exactly what to do, even down to where to click. First trade. Here's our first pair. The bot says we're heading down with a clear trend. I update the fractal and yup, we're good to go. We designed it so the AI bot can analyze historical data on the pair for months, even years, and compare it to the current market situation in real time. This allows it to predict the trend, where the pair is heading and the ideal entry points with impressive accuracy. And there it is, the result is right in front of us. But of course, we're not stopping there, we're moving on. The bot just sent a new message and we've got a new pair. The AI bot says we're going down. I'm totally on board with that because I can see we're about to break through the support level. Double checking with the fractal. The coolest thing is that our bot keeps evolving and learning on its own. Basically, the more we practice, the better it gets at technical analysis. And that means even better, more accurate predictions. Second session in a row with the AI bot, and the results are fantastic. I'm really happy about that. Those 9 months, even a year of hard work definitely paid off. Impressed with how well the bot's doing its thing? Want a helper like that? You know where to find it. Link is in the description. Okay, let's not celebrate too early. We just got another message from the bot. On deck are a Canadian and Swish. The AI bot says we're going up. Well, I'm not gonna argue. We go up. Let's keep an eye on the market. Watch the chart and trust the bot. If you are a skeptic like me, I totally get not just taking someone's words for it. So let me remind you, I've created a Telegram channel that's still completely free, for now. And over 8,000 people are already part of it. Every day we run live training sessions. 10 minutes before each session, we send out a list of assets you need to add to the platform. Then subscribers just copy the AI bot's moves and see the results. You can check out the bot by clicking the link in the description and pinned comment. And yeah, it's still free. Remember where we started? Here's our plan for today, starting with 75. As you can see, I trust the bot completely, and for good reason. Let's move on to the next pair. The bot says we're heading up. I double check with fractal and hit the button. I was totally on board with AI bot here. Then again, it's no surprise. Some of the top programmers and first-class training experts working on this for 9 months. We integrated cutting-edge AI tech, so now this bot predicts movements more accurately than any human trader. I'm really proud of this product. Alright, I see the bot has sent me the next setup. No slowing down, let's keep moving. The forecast. We're going up. I agree, because after a long downward trend, the price is slowing down, so we're expecting a little bounce back up. Waiting on the fractal update. Like any AI, the bot's still learning, so there is always a dependency on its training level. It gets more accurate with time, but mistakes can still happen. That's why I always say to trade carefully and use reliable brokers. And here we are, approaching the close of the trade. Phew, that red candle bounce had me worried for a sec. But once again, the bot pulled through. Guess I can't fully shut off my brain. Professional habits, you know? Now, I want to lower the risks. Not that I don't trust the bot, but like they say, a danger foreseen is half avoided. The bot's calling for another upward move, so let's trust it. It's signaling a potential breakout from the local level. By the way, not sure if I mentioned this, but why do I stick with these 4 pairs? It's simple. Pairs the bot already analyzed are easier to reanalyze, so the bot works faster and processes more data. This step isn't a must, but since I also track trade statistics for each session to improve the bot, it makes my job easier. Alright, let's head into the final trade of this session. The bot's calling for another upward move. I have no reason to argue with it today. Let's check the fractal and wait for the bounce up. Do you know why I always recommend joining our OpenAI bot sessions? First, it's a lot safer than trading solo. Even safer than working with mentors because, hey, we're all human and humans make mistakes. Second, you not only get great results, but you're also learning from the bot how to analyze charts. Third, it's the fastest way to level up your skills and keep growing every single day. And boom! Trades closed in our favor. 7 out of 7. Awesome! Today's result, 6,057. So, what do you think of today's results? Over 8,000 people are already following my Telegram channel, and from the feedback, everyone's happy. Me and my team designed the bot to give precise instructions when and on which pair to enter, and it predicts market's movement. The AI bot won't bother you with constant, urgent notifications. It's all relevant stuff. Whether or not you listen is up to you, but I'm confident that once you click the link in the description or in the first pinned comment, you'll see how effective it is. And the most exciting part, joining our channel is free for everyone right now. See you on the channel.